Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing a real simple breakfast. We're going to do a Copycat Sonic Toaster. And I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, ingredients we're going to need is some cooked sliced bacon, well done eggs, what I call hard done eggs, a sliced cheese, and then the cheese is optional. We're going to need some bread, and you're going to need some butter and a good hot skillet. And the first thing we want to do is we're going to just drop some of this butter in our skillet, drop a pat of butter in here and stir it around, get it to melting. We're using the same skillet that we cooked our bacon and eggs in. And then we're just going to take a little bit of this butter and we're just going to spread some butter on our bread here. Don't need a whole lot. You get too much, it gets soggy. So, just put just a little bit of bread on a little bit of butter on your bread. Slide this around. And what we want to do, we want to lay the buttered side down. We're going to take a couple of pieces of bacon. So I like a lot of bacon on them. Just put a couple, break them in half and put them on. Then we're going to take our sliced cheese, not the wrapper too, just cheese, put it on. Then we're going to get us an egg. We're going to put it on top. And then we're going to butter our other slice of bread on one side. Now, you don't necessarily have to use Texas toast for this. I'm using regular light bread. I didn't have any Texas toast in the house this morning, and I wasn't going to go to the store to get any. Lay it butter side up. And then all you want to do is just sort of mash it down a little bit. And that's set for just a minute, so we're just going to flip it over. See how it's toasted there? And we're going to toast that side for just a minute. It don't take just a minute to fix this. It takes, once you get your bacon cooked and your eggs cooked, it doesn't take just a minute for the toaster to get ready to go. And you can sort of peek at it and see. I believe that's long enough, and we're going to set it out on our plate there. Just let cheese melt. What you want to do. If you put cheese on, like I said, the cheese is optional. And we're going to bring you back in just a minute, and we'll do a taste test of this here. Okay, we're going to do a taste test here of our toaster that we fixed here. This is the bacon, egg, and cheese toaster. Now, you can also use sausage if you want to. I'm going to just slice it in half, what I'm going to do. And pick it up here, and I'm going to show you what the inside looks like there. See, we got our bacon, our cheese, our egg, and of course the 2 pieces of toast bread. Now, when you do this, you want to be sure that you cook with the buttered side down so that it'll toast. That butter is what makes it toast. We're going to do a taste test here. That is spot on. Good toaster right there. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Real simple, real quick. Doesn't take just a few minutes to put it together. A great breakfast item. So, get you a couple pieces of bacon, a hard done egg, piece of cheese if you like. Like I said, cheese is optional. The cheese, to me, tastes better, but it also helps hold everything together when you're flipping it over. Put it together, butter side down, flip it over, butter side down, toast a little bit. You got you a great breakfast there. Give the video a thumbs up if you would. Share the video. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate those that do. We appreciate those of you that take time out of your day to watch our videos. Great breakfast. We'll be back and see you on the next one.